My last video was about how to pan fry the perfect dumplings every single time. Today I'm gonna share with you guys 3 different types of dumpling dipping sauce that takes no time to make. The first one is also my go-to dipping sauce. It's simple and delicious and goes well with any dumpling flavor. You'll need regular soy sauce. This premium soy sauce is one that I've been using in my kitchen, and it's a good one for dumpling dip. Dark vinegar, a common vinegar that's been used in Chinese dumpling dip, is the Chinkiang vinegar. Rice vinegar is a good substitution if you find dark vinegar is a bit strong. Oyster sauce, any oyster sauce will do. I use this one in this recipe. Water, sesame oil, and sugar. Feel free to add chili oil if you want to. I love chili oil in my dumpling dip. Finally, some spring onion or cilantro if you want to have some green in it. The second dip is a quick Sichuan chili dip. You'll need some of your favorite Chinese chili sauce. Add soy sauce, vinegar, water, sugar, and it's done. The last one is the traditional Chinese dumpling dipping sauce. It's a garlic dip. Minced garlic, add regular soy sauce, dark vinegar or rice vinegar, and sesame oil.